Ngivuke kuseni nginezinyembezi, ngibhekene nezinsuku ezinzima. Abantu abaningi bangiphoxile, kodwa ngisamile, ngithembekile. I feel the weight upon my shoulders, but I will not give up today. Ngiyazi uNkulunkulu nami uzongihola indlela. Ungapheli ithemba, uNkulunkulu uyasebenza. Ungapheli amandla, isikhathi sakho siyeza. Ungapheli ithemba, God is still with you. Ungapheli amandla, He will see you through. Ungapheli ithemba, even in the storm. Ungapheli amandla, you are not alone. Ngidlule emlilweni oshisayo, ngabona ubuhlungu obukhulu, kodwa ngasinda ngomusa wakhe, ngoba uJehova unamandla. I cried many nights in silence, but He never left my side. Namuhla ngiyisibonelo somusa wakho mkhulu. Ungapheli ithemba, uNkulunkulu uyasebenza. Ungapheli amandla, isikhathi sakho siyeza. When everything feels broken, uNkulunkulu akakushi. When you feel forgotten, He is still